That Bisa na, ibla that pabisasan eh kay. Come on, tay. That's nice. You see, that's a Filipino respect. So when you see Filipinos anywhere, you could, makadto kami sa Waffle House kay dito na sa zona ga-obra house ang estudyante pa sa ilang high school sa galing. We went downstairs and took some pictures. Hi. Hi. Where are you? Hi. Where are you? Lawrenceville. So how far you live from here? 10 minutes?
It's more like 20 probably.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But it's not too terrible. I mean, at least where I used to live.
Yeah. The front part there is a highway.
Yeah.
Mm.
It is Sugarloaf Parkway.
Mm. Hey! Tayan ako yung nasarhan. Din siya nag-park out? Oh, okay. Tatay! Bel, man siya pala mag-drive, hindi makulbaan, Bel. Grabing sunburn niya sa likod, ho. Ang card mo?
Talaga mga facility, mga kwan.
Nakatat ba yan?
We have to get my portfolio, that black thing back there, the water.
Don't worry. Let's go.
Don't mind all those clothes. My dad had me put them in there when I was helping. Move some more.
Oh my God, this is a highway here. That's a security.